as proficient with the weapons as they are with the musical instruments. With multiple deployment combat veterans in the ranks, they give full meaning to the phrase, every Marine a rifleman. Since 1990, the L.A. Scots Pipe Band has been the premier Grade 1 pipe band in the United States. The band has been home to over 150 band members over the last 27 years, some traveling thousands of miles to be part of this championship organization. Many of the players are active instructors, judges, and respected leaders within the international pipe band community. The L.A. Scots Pipe Band is under the direction of Pipe Major